World Race Germany continues on the Nurburgring South. Coming up next. Hello once again, slot car race fans, and welcome back to our World Race Germany event where we are racing our Ford GTs versus the Corvette C7Rs. And tonight we have a very special race because last week we were at Nurburgring and now we are at the original 1927 Nurburgring South. And this was part of the official Nurburgring Ring way back in the old days, but it was closed down because this track was quite dangerous. Track opened up originally in 1927, and tonight we are reopening it again to race our great cars. And if you want to be caught up with all the great slot car races and everything else, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends and family. Click that notification bell so that whenever we race, you are the first to know about it. And let's get this video up to 100 likes. Stay tuned till the end of the race. I'm going to be talking about a giveaway offer that we are doing for subscribers. And without further ado, let's go down to the races. Very busy. All the food is pretty nice. Yeah. Back here.
That's a lot, like.
Pardon?
Wow.
Oh,
I know I did. What place am I in now?
So we got 21 laps, 6, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. How you guys doing? 40, 31 laps. So it'll be Glenn, Mark, Kevin, Howard, Josh, and myself. Move it. Extended your tires too much.
That's that way.
For me?
And here's our standings for tonight. I have got 34 points, Josh got 12, Howard got 21, Kevin was the star tonight at 61 points, Mark got 25, and Glenn came in second for 45 points. And here we are with our league standings. Glenn is in first with 270 points, Howard is second with 240, Kevin is third with 230, I'm in fourth with 198, Mark is in fifth with 189, and Josh is in sixth place with 22. Well, wasn't that a great slot car racing night? And if you like this track and you want to build it for yourself, check us out on Patreon. I will leave the link down below. And now the moment you have been waiting for, we are going to be holding a giveaway contest coming up soon. Future date to be announced. Actually, it's when we get 5,000 subscribers, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends and family. Click that notification bell so that you are the first to know about it. Now, getting back to our offer, we are giving away this great Carrera tow truck. It has a gate that drops down. You can hook any Carrera car up to it, except the Formula Ones, of course. The lights are flashing, and it has an air horn when you click the button. So if you want to be in on this, check out this video coming up over here at the end of this video and click there and it'll get you in on all the contest details. As well, check out the other video down here about our masterclass, which is over on Patreon. So next week we will be doing the Autobahn spine, which will be an interesting track to set up as it is basically a big Y. I've never done this kind of thing before, so hopefully I can pull it off. And until next time, slot car race fans, happy racing!
Okay, so do you show everyone clapping in the race?
I should
No.
do a compilation.
Yeah.